Hi guys, Rohit Mahajan this side. How are you guys doing? So we are here again with a new video, and which is how to generate leads without a marketing team. So let's say if in case you don't have any marketing team, you don't have any marketing skills as well, or you don't have any marketing person to do marketing for you or to generate leads for you. So what can be done in that case? How can you generate leads in that case? Uh, so let's see how you can do it. So first of all, um, what you can do is you can use social media to generate leads for your business. So you can find prospects to maybe so let's dig a little bit more into social media. So uh, when we talk about social media, it's not like you can just go onto someone's wall or onto someone's post and then say, okay, okay, we can we can provide you this service, or we can provide you this product or something. uh, it doesn't go like this on social media. So social media is more like connecting with the prospect, or you can say helping the prospect. So you need to find out a way to help the prospect. You don't need to bombard them or spam them with your product. You just need to figure out a way to help them during the conversation. So figure out how you can add value to their lives, or how you can solve the problems they are facing right now. So this is how you can, I mean, in every case we have to help the customer, but in social media it's more like conversational. So you need to be little more careful about it. So another thing you can do is write blogs. So what are the good platforms to write blogs for our LinkedIn? What you can do is you can write like 800 or 1000 word, which is pretty decent blog, and we can finish this blog in like 5 6 7 minutes. And after the blog, you can offer your free consultation, or your trial of the product, or maybe uh, some some other kind of offer you have created for your business. So you can post a blog on LinkedIn, share it on your wall. You can post an article on the Facebook wall of yours. You can post the article on the Medium blog as well. So Medium is a very nice way to generate traffic. They have their own traffic, as well as they have their the SEO traffic as well. You can answer questions on Quora as well, and then you can ask them to contact you if in case they need to know more about it, or they need to uh, they need your service in case. So you can find out the questions in the Quora, and then you can just reply the questions with your answer, with your details and everything. So uh, in that way they can contact you, and then reach out to you for any queries or something. Apart from this, what you can do is you can post a YouTube video, the way we are doing right now, the way I am doing right now. You can post a YouTube video, and then you can add some value to your viewers, to your customers. And then what you can do is you can offer your services at the end, or you can offer a trial, or you can offer a any kind of service you provide. You can offer to them. You can ask them to reach out to you. uh, Another thing which is going good right now is podcast. So you can create podcast as well, and it's pretty easy to create a podcast right now. You just go to Anchor app. You download an Anchor app on your phone, and you just hold your phone like this, and you speak, you record, and then you publish. And the uh, rest, Anchor will do everything for you. You don't need to do anything. Anchor will do everything for you. Anchor will send your podcast to all the major podcast apps, and then you can have the listeners over there. So what else can you do right now? You can get referrals from your current customers. You can ask your current customers to uh, give you references. You can ask them to give you um, any other referrals. You can ask them if in case any of anyone they know who can be your customer, if any one of them is having any kind of trouble or any kind of problem, you can go and help them. So in this way you can actually create leads as well. So next thing is which is very interesting, it is your on power base. So what exactly is a power base? It's just a fancy term for the personal network. So everyone has a power base. Everyone knows some few people around them with which they have a good contact, which whom with they have good rapport, good understanding. So everyone has some kind of power base with them or personal network with them. So what you can do is you need to think that you need to figure out a way to reach out to your power base. You need to think out of a way to how to actually use that medium. So but it's a very good medium. Everyone knows someone, everyone knows someone who can they help. So you need to find out the exact person. You need to find out, you need to tell them, you need to talk to them, you need to go out to lunch with them, you need to go out for dinner with them, and you need to discuss about your business, you need to discuss about what you are doing, you need to explain them everything. So this is a very great way, and a lot of businesses thrive on this thing only. Okay, so next is how else can you generate leads? Is a networking event. So in every city, in every place, in every uh, big or small city, there are some networking events happening. If in case networking events are not happening, that's even better. You can actually go and create your own events. You can go and host your own events. So that's a pretty good thing that events are not happening. What you can do is you can host your own event, and you can ask everyone to come. You just post it on local Facebook group and ask them to come to your event. So what you can do in a networking event is you can share the cards, you can ask the problems your customers are facing, or your prospects are facing. You can discuss the problems. You can then follow up with them later after the event, or maybe a few days, or maybe a few weeks later. So that's a pretty good way to you know nurture a relationship, create a relationship, and then generate leads as well. So all right. Next, apart from this, what you can do is you can revisit your lost opportunities. So you just need to see into your CRM that the people you haven't contacted, and you lost the opportunities with them. You just need to rekindle with them. You just need to call them and just ask them how they are doing. Uh, is there anything you can help them with, or something like that? Just go to them, just reach out to them, and just ask them if there is anything you can help out with them. And just help them, genuinely help them. If in case you will be helping them, they might actually give you the business. uh, Now let's come to some of the methods, um, some of the paid methods, the way you can generate leads via advertisements, via ads. And you don't need a lot of technology in it. You don't need a website, you don't need anything in it. So one of the best way to generate leads right now is Facebook lead ads. So what you can do in Facebook lead ads is just create a lead form in it, just ask the question, uh, put an image. Facebook provides you ample number of images. So you just choose an image, write down your questions in it, and that's it. And just post it into Facebook lead ads, and create an ad, and you will see leads coming in. Apart from it, the similar way you can generate leads via Facebook lead ads. There's one more way, which is LinkedIn lead ads. So which is pretty awesome. So in LinkedIn lead ads also, you just need to create a form and then you can ask the people to fill out a form to reach out to you. That's it. uh, Another method is Facebook Messenger ads. So what exactly Facebook Messenger ads is, whenever someone uh, clicks on the ads, they will directly go into the messenger, and they will be, and a message will be sent to you. So you can directly reach out to their inbox. It's a pretty good way to have a conversation with your prospect. You can actually reach out to your prospect. They will be, it's a they will be seeing your messages as well, they will be reading your messages as well. So it's a pretty good way to reach out to your uh, prospect. Next is Facebook click to call ad. So how does this click to call ad works is, what you do is, in your Facebook page, you change the you know call to action button of the page to call. Put a number in it and change the call to action button to a call. Once you have changed that to a call, what you can do later on is just promote the ad, just promote the page, I'm sorry, just promote the page. So when you will be promoting the page, uh, what user will see is that click to all action, that call now button only. So they will get an option for the call now button. So they click on the call now button and your numbers pop-ups on it, and then they dial you and then they reach out to you. So this is also a good way to basically generate leads without actually creating a website or anything. Next is click to WhatsApp. Facebook ads click to WhatsApp. So what you do in that is, there's basically a line of code, and you put that code in your ad. So once that ad is clicked, when let's say someone is scrolling through the Facebook, and during the scroll they see your ad, and in the ad you have a call to action button, click to WhatsApp. So the moment they will be clicking on your ad, WhatsApp will be opened up with a pre-framed message in it and your number. So what they have to do is just click send. That's it. They don't need to do anything else. They don't need to enter a message. They don't need to enter your mobile number or phone number or anything. All they need to do is click the button send, and once they will be clicking the send button, uh, I'm sorry, a message will be sent to you directly on your WhatsApp number, and you can then have a conversation over the WhatsApp or over the phone, any way. So that's a pretty good way to create leads online. So that's it for now, and don't forget to like, share and comment, and do subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.